Next, in this question, you're asked to differentiate tan inverse of root of 1 plus x square minus root of 1 minus x square by root of 1 plus x square plus root of 1 minus x square with respect to cos inverse of x square. So when the function becomes complicated, we have already seen that you can use some trigonometric substitutions, right? So whenever you have a complicated function inside inverse trigonometric function, you can use trigonometric substitutions. So here also you can use that. So first what we do is let x square is equal to cos 2 theta. Let us do the substitution. So if I take x square is equal to cos 2 theta, so if I take this function as u and this function as v, so you're asked to find du by dv, right? This is what you need to find, du by dv. So now let us simplify this u. So u is equal to tan inverse of root of 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta. This is 2 cos square theta. So you get root 2 cos theta outside. Root of 1 minus cos 2 theta is 2 sin square theta. It is minus root 2 sin theta divided by root 2 cos theta plus root 2 sin theta. So root 2 gets cancelled. That is equal to tan inverse of cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta plus sin theta. So if you divide numerator and denominator by cos theta, you get 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta. So what is 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta? It is tan of pi by 4 minus theta. Is tan inverse of tan of pi by 4 minus theta. So tan inverse and tan gets cancelled. So you're getting pi by 4 minus theta. This is my u in terms of theta. So in terms of x, it is tan inverse of root of 1 plus x square, this whole expression. But in terms of theta, u is nothing but pi by 4 minus theta. Similarly, what is v in terms of theta? Cos inverse of x square is equal to cos 2 theta, which is equal to 2 theta. So now in terms of theta, both these functions look very simple. So what is du by dv? Now both u and v are in terms of theta. So I can divide numerator and denominator by d theta. So you're getting what is du by d theta is minus 1. What is dv by d theta is 2. So du by dv is nothing but minus 1 by 2. That's the answer.